Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are in full swing of this new pour for the poured out series. I time-lapsed it because of the fact that this was a little bit of a process and it took a bit of time, so I didn't want to have you guys sitting here forever watching this whole process go through. The thing that I'm pouring into is literally the top half of a small cup, because this technique is called an open cup acrylic pour. So as you can see, everything is running out of it and allowing it to move across the canvas, and now allowing me to move everything and get a really cool and interesting design on it. This was very fun to do. It was my first time ever doing the open cup technique, and I literally had a blast doing it, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. All right, so here's a close-up of it. Not a lot happened as far as sales after I stopped recording, so I did have to hit it with a torch just to get the little bit of mini sale creations that you can see right there. I'm bringing it too close, but just a little bit of sale action. So these bigger ones here were created on their own, and then like I said, the smaller, teeny tinier ones were done by the heat gun. So, I mean, not the heat gun, the torch. So I think it's pretty cool for my first open cup pour out. So yeah, this is episode 6 of the poured out series, because technically my paint was poured out of an open cup. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did, and the color combinations are amazing. I'll list the colors, of course, down in the description. And make sure you click that like button, you smash the subscribe button, and you turn on that notification bell so that way you know when there's a new video posted. And until next time, stay amazing. Happy holidays, happy new year, and stay safe and keep creating. Love you all. Bye. Hi guys, so you're seeing me put resin from Counterculture DIY onto this because I'm going to be trying out the doming technique, and that's when you tape the outer edge and you only put the resin on top, and you want it thick so it has a nice dome look. So it's about 2 to 3 coats of the resin. So far I've only gotten 1 coat on there, so I have to finish, but I did it because I created a painting for our neighbors and I wanted to do the doming technique, and I had never done it before. So this painting made it the perfect opportunity for me to try it out. So it turned out really cool, and I love the effect, and I hope you love it too. Don't forget, like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to share. Happy holidays. Bye.